Alright fellas, we got the coil that I'm going to use in place. I'm doing away with the old points and condenser setup, per usual on these when I build them. Something else came in the mail yesterday that I didn't see. Oh bud. I have to do something different with the end here because it certainly isn't big enough. Alright, there we are. So I'm gonna have to chop that down and do some funky shit to it, but tell me that wouldn't be badass. Come on! Here, I'll show you the size difference. There we go. Yeah, pretty big size difference, so I'm gonna have to fuck around with some shit and see if we can't make it work on that. I really want to put this pipe on, so we'll see. Alright guys, we got the 500 all together. Looks like it's oiling pretty good. Let's take it up to my father's house and dig it into some wood, and we'll have to tune it from there because it doesn't seem to be tuned quite right. Something's a little off, but we'll figure it out when we get up there. Hey guys, made it back home. Did some cutting up there. I got some videos I'm gonna edit down. I don't think the bar was oiling enough. You can see it's a little hot at the tip there. It wasn't smoking or anything that I saw. Maybe I'll see it in the video when I watch it, but it definitely wasn't getting enough oil. It's still hot now, and there's a 15-20 minute drive from my father's house. So I'm not sure if this is the adjustment. I've never adjusted one of these automatic oiler ones. I really like when I just have a plunger back here. That's how I got the 400 set up. The plunger. I'd much rather have that. So worst case scenario, if it seems like it's not getting any oil, if I can't adjust this automatic oiler, I might just swap the rear handle out with like a Super XL handle that has one. That's what this is here. This is off of a Super XL that had the override, because I'd really like to be able to do that. But hey, it's together, it runs. I got a buddy that's gonna figure something out for this. I think we're gonna end up chopping it back here, and then we're gonna take one of these stack mufflers and we're gonna set it up on a piece of sheet metal and draw it out and everything and cut it out of that, and hopefully we'll be able to get this set up and I can get this pipe on that saw. Or I might end up actually putting on the 400, because to be honest with y'all, I'm not real impressed with how this thing ran, but might be something with that carburetor too. I'm not really sure. I didn't put a kit in. I don't have a kit for a Tillotson here, and I really didn't want to wait, get antsy, so I just fired it up and started running. It ran pretty good, but I think the 400 would outcut it, so that's not what I was hoping for. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.